Alright guys, Bobcat here. Alright, back on another job. We're gonna pave part of this driveway today. I got my pc28 mini excavator here. I'm gonna do the excavation and grading with that. And then I got the Stow 1-ton roller. So yeah, this never used to be double wide like it's gonna be. This was all grass over here, so they want to pave this, and yeah, it's only going like up to here because they want to leave this little hill piece here to get in their gate, and they want to drive the asphalt to start like right here. Yeah, and then there was a big divot here and all broken up, so I cut that out, and then over here on the edge was real bad. I cut that out. So yeah, it's what they want, and taking care of it for them. It's gonna look good in the end. And even I always tell people when they do patches in their driveway or whatever, things like that, the new asphalt, obviously it's different. A different look from the old stuff to the new stuff, but I always tell people they can wait, a few months or till next season, or yeah, it does not even that long. Like I said, a few months, and you could seal coat your whole driveway, and then it'll be uniform, all the same look. So you could always seal coat it. But yeah, this will work out good. I'm gonna pave it by hand. I don't have a paving machine, but like this is the biggest I'll do by hand. I use my mason dump. This is like 4 tons, this whole piece, and those 2 pieces there. Yeah, I just make a couple little dumps and rake it out, shovel it, rake it out. Have me and my brother to help me, and yeah, get the load out. And I got a plate compactor and my roller, and just roll it. So if I was ever gonna do the whole driveway, things like that, you got to have a paver. I mean, it could be done if you got a lot of laborers, for big pieces, but this is no problem here. Alright, so I'm still grading at this point, but I just wanted to make a video. Put a little more process in this piece over here. extra stone I'm putting over here in a pile because the customer wants it. In his backyard, I think around his shed. Make a little quick little video of what's going on, and show you guys what I've been doing. But yeah, this is the new project. So just got to put the rest of the stone up there and get rid of the asphalt pieces because I had to make a saw cut so it looks all nice. And then but yeah, get rid of that and then regrade it, roll it, and then I'll pave it. I'll make a video when I'm paving it. But all right, thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you on another video. Thanks for subscribing.